Valves. Maintenance. Overhauling. Components. Part 2 video. Maintenance of the valves. Frequent and regular inspections are necessary to maintain the valves in good condition. Such inspections reveals leaks, levels corrosion, incrustation and drawing major expenses. And difficulty would result if these defects are not detected and rectified in time. Maintenance program includes A. Correct operation. B. Regular and systematic inspection. C. Proper lubricant of all rotating and sliding parts. D. Replacement of stem packing. A. Grinding or lapping seats and discs. Maintenance and inspection involves A. Dismantling of valves. B. Clean all parts in diesel. C. Grind the valve and seat by using carborundum grinding paste. To avoid damage, use oil and graphite for lubrication. D. Assembles the valve by keeping in open position, carry out the gland packing, and replace the joints. Overhauling of a valve. A. Mark the flanges before slackening the nuts. B. Before removing any valve, ensures the pipeline is isolated and there is no pressure in the line. C. Dismantle the valve and clean all the parts thoroughly. Check the condition of valve late, valve seat and valve spindle. D. Lap the mating faces by using appropriate grinding paste depending upon the condition of the surface. 1. Coarse rough. 2. Medium. 3. Fine. 4. Extra fine. By using carborundum paste with little oil. 8. Replace the old gland packing. F. Clean all flanges without using any abrasive tool. G. Cut required size and thickness of a joint. H. Make sure the nuts and bolts are rust free. I. Assemble all the parts in order as per marking made before dismantling. J. Fit valve in place in the line in service and check for any leakage. Valves parts name. Globe valve. 1. Body. 2. Bonnet. 3. Body bonnet gasket. 4. Seat ring. 5. Disc. 6. Disc lock nut. 7. Disc washer. 8. Stem. 9. Back seat. 10. Packing. 11. Gland. 12. Gland follower. 13. Set screw. 14. Stem nut. 15. Hand wheel. Gate valve. 1. Body. 2. Disc. 3. Flange. 4. Gasket. 5. Stem. 6. Bonnet gasket. 7. Bonnet. 8. Stuffing box. 9. Hand wheel. Butterfly valve. These valves are used in ballast lines, cooling seawater lines. 1. Body. 2. Seat. 3. Disc. 4. Actuating gear. 5. Spindle. 6. Hand wheel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. MSB Tech Official.